How many of you are there?
Not enough.
8 people abducted from or near Star Labs. Here's the potential perp.
Parademons.
Okay.
The demons must have caught the scent of the mother box. They carried people away to find out what they know.
So the 8 may still be alive.
9.
Oh.
The head of Star Labs was taken as well.
You made it. So then, there must be a nest nearby.
I plotted all the sightings in Metropolis, Gotham. No pattern I can see. The lines on the map don't converge.
On land. These lead back to Braxton Island, between the 2 cities.
Gotham Harbor. These are air vents. They all lead down to the tunnel to Metropolis project that was abandoned in '29.
Do you really think that...
Oh, wow, they really just vanish. Huh? Oh. That's rude.
Where are we, Alfred?
Braxton Island.
Should be directly under the venting tower for the tunnel.
Now look to your left, you should see a staircase. It'll give you access to the machine room.
Define access.
One at a time. The bridge me up. Hold.
Just tell me the truth.
Please just let us go. I have a family.
Wrong answer. Humans, the stench of your fear is making my soldiers hungry. Shall I feed them? You've been near the mother box. Her scent is on you.
Please, we have families.
Why does everyone keep telling me that?
Right, okay, yeah, here's the thing. See, I'm afraid of bugs and, guns and obnoxiously tall people and murder, and I can't be here. It's really cool, you guys seem ready to do battle and stuff, but full transparency, I've never done battle. I've just pushed some people and run away.
Save one.
What?
Save one person.
Which one?
Don't talk, don't fight. Get in, get one out.
And then?
You'll know.
Okay.
Useless! You then. Where is my mother box?
I'll die before I tell you.
At last, one that doesn't whine. But you will scream.
Dad. Victor.
Ah, you were born of her. A creature of chaos.
Not how I see it.
Give it time. Amazon.
Okay. Save one.